The Quadratic Formula by Kevin Gregory, Andy Metzold, and William Rohr. Ever had trouble finding the zeros for an equation? If the answer to that question was yes, then the quadratic formula can help. The quadratic formula is the solution to a quadratic equation. Although there are other ways to find the solution to a quadratic equation, many people think that the quadratic formula is the easiest. The quadratic formula is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. It's simple, you just need to plug it in. The first step is to find the discriminant. The discriminant, or d, is b squared minus 4ac, which is found by plugging in the a, b, and c values, which are... Okay, so now that we know how to find the discriminant value by plugging in a, b, and c, we have to know what those values are. The a value is taken from the squared coefficient, which in this case is negative 6. The b value is taken from the coefficient value, which in this case is 28. Finally, the c value is always the constant in an equation, which is 40. If you are looking at an equation and there is no squared coefficient, regular coefficient, or constant value, you just have to set that to a, b, or c to 0. Now to find the discriminant, we will plug in b squared minus 4ac with substitution. B squared will be 28 squared minus 4 times negative 6 times 40. So 28 squared is 784, and negative 4 times negative 6 times 40 is 960. 784 plus 960 is 1,744. Your discriminant is 1,744. Now you will go back to the original equation and plug in your a, b, and c and d values into the equation. The equation that you will have after you substitute all the values is negative 28 plus or minus the square root of 1,744 all over negative 12. Now that you know what to do to find your zeros, you need to split the equation up into plus and minus. So that the plus equation, you will put negative 28 plus the square root of 1,744 all over negative 12. For the minus equation, you'll put negative 28 minus the square root of 1,744 all over negative 12. After doing all the math, you will find the solutions to the equation. The solutions to the equation are negative 1.146 and 5.813. And that is how you solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula.